Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is March 22nd, 2023. As always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. Okay, so pretty big day today. Fed a meeting day. We opened up right under 4,003,995 and had a little bit of a sell-off and then a little bit of a sideways movement. They gave something to everybody, a little bit to the downside, a little bit to the upside, and came back right around the area where we opened up, right before the minutes came out or the statement came out. So at first, the initial statement basically said that they're going to be raising 25 basis points as expected, and that they are going to be pausing, increasing next time around. I believe that the market took that as kind of a good set of news that they're going to pause the rate increases. But the reason why that they're going to pause, or they're thinking about, I want to take that back. They're thinking about doing a pause, and they're saying it's going to be data dependent. But the reason why they're even contemplating a pause at this point is because of all the banking issues. They're saying that the banks, because of all the issues they're having right now, even though they're sound, that they're going to pretty much do the Fed's job of increasing rates themselves. So basically, they won't be able to lend out money to their customers, and therefore the Fed doesn't even need to increase rates. While the market took that kind of as a positive set of news, I for some reason didn't sit well with me. I thought that it was actually probably worse than the Fed controlling the interest rate. If the Fed, for example, wants to lower the interest rate going forward and the banks are unable to lend, it's still going to create the issue that we're in today and the reason why we have so much focus on the Fed. I didn't sell any puts. Let's take a look at let's take a look at the trades. So in the morning, as we opened up, I set two trades. We opened up around 4,000, so I set one at 3,900, which one's right here, and I set one at 4,100, which is right here. Now some time passed by after that, and I know there's a lot of resistance at 40.55 ish area, 40.45, 40.50, 40. Let's take. Actually, I can't show that right now, but there's a lot of resistance right around here, around this area. So I sold the 40.60 call. I was thinking that even if there's good news and we rally up, we're not going to reach the 4,100 most likely, and if I do become trapped at the 40.60 level, how much more can we run after that? So I decided to sell that call and collected $550 for that. You could see the premium was fairly small on the other two, 170 and 145. So as the press conference was going on, I decided to sell the 40.65. We're kind of running up, but it seemed like it was not all good news, that we're pausing and why we're pausing. So I decided to sell another call, and I collected $570 for that one as well. So unfortunately, it seems like the market kind of maybe agreed with my point here, and we had a really strong sell-off into 39.36 here, with pretty much no green candles this entire way down. And so right before that, I placed an order for three puts for 2,800 on April 6th. So the idea is I'm going to be selling puts. Mine expired yesterday, actually, and I could only place one, which was today, without buying additional puts. So I purchased them. Let me go go here. So I purchased a 2800 level puts over here. I believe I paid $15 each. And so tomorrow on the 23rd, I will be able to then sell puts on the SPX when we open up tomorrow. So I believe that's called a vertical, where you buy a longer dated expiration contract and sell against it. So that's that. So overall, even though I planned on not trading, but just kind of given how the market was moving and everything that I kind of felt might come true, it kind of did. It worked out in my favor. So for total for today was 1,390, which is great news because I actually planned on doing zero whatsoever, or just, woke up and I said, okay, I think 100 points is safe enough. Obviously, there would have been a little bit of money, not as much as what I ended up collecting. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new here and if you like the content, I do this every single day. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.